Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to transfer files between your iPhone and a Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop fast, easy and without any headaches. Whether it's photos, videos, documents or music, I'll walk you through the best method step by step. So watch till the end. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to bring more useful tech guides like this for you. Click first link in description, and you will come to this website. Here scroll all way down. You will find a download button. Click on it. It will send you to this website. Here click download. Select Windows, and then click on exe file here. Once downloaded, open it. Select folder and click next. Check this to create shortcut. Once done, click finish. Now open it. It'll automatically give you a unique name. Like on my end, it's Bright Mushroom. Now let's install Local Send app on our iPhone. Open App Store and search for Local Send and download it. Once installed, open it. Once you've downloaded app on both devices, let's say I want to send a file from my phone to my PC. I just tap the send option on my phone and select that file. As soon as I select them, whatever available devices are connected with the local send application will start showing up. For example, on my phone I saw Bright Mushroom, which is my PC. I will click on it. A pop-up will come on my PC. Give me permission by clicking accept. Look guys, the file transfer has started. And if you check the speed, it's pretty good. Really fast file transfer happening here. You can also send files from PC to phone in same way. If you want to change the download location for PC, simply click on settings. Scroll down, you will find download path here. You can change it. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.